The zombie is one of the easiest hostile mobs to deal with in Minecraft. It moves slowly, follows you directly, and will burn in sunlight during the day, making it much less dangerous compared to other enemies. When fighting a zombie, walk close enough for it to approach you instead of rushing in. Once it is within about 2 blocks, jump and attack to land a critical hit. Because zombies are slow, you usually do not need to back away after striking them. Simply continue attacking until the zombie is defeated. After killing a zombie, look around carefully to make sure no other mobs are nearby. Be cautious, since hitting a zombie can sometimes cause another one to spawn nearby. Once the area is safe, collect the experience orbs and any drops, such as rotten flesh. Rotten flesh is generally not recommended as food unless you have no other options, since it can cause hunger or poison effects depending on the game version. If you do get one of these effects, stay still until it wears off to avoid losing additional hunger. When dealing with multiple zombies at once, running toward them and attacking can knock them back several blocks, giving you space to manage the fight. Zombies that are focused on you will also ignore tamed wolves, allowing your wolves to attack them safely while you keep their attention.